Dear students, in this session let us discuss about the aromaticity in 5-membered rings. Let us discuss first about aromaticity in pyrrole. Pyrrole have 4 carbon atom and 1 nitrogen atom. All are sp2 hybridized. The sp2 hybridization is planar. It makes the planar pyrrole ring structure. Each ring atom has one unhybridized p orbital that is perpendicular to the plane of sigma bonds of which lie in the plane of the ring. Here the p orbitals are parallel to each other, so the overlapping between p orbital is also possible. So the total number of non-bonding electrons are 6, that is 4 of carbon and 2 from 1 nitrogen. Therefore, the resonance of 6 electrons follows Huckel's rule. So the pyrrole is aromatic. So this is the molecular orbital picture of pyrrole. You can see here these are the p orbital, each contain 1 electron, which are from the carbon of 4 carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. This is of nitrogen, which contain 2 electrons, unknown pair of electrons, and which is all these are unhybridized p orbitals. So similarly, if you discuss about furane, same thing you can see here. All the 4 carbon atoms of furane contain 1 unhybridized p orbital with each 1 electron, and 1 oxygen atom with 2 lone pair of electrons, which lie in one in the p orbital, unhybridized p orbital, another in the sp2 hybridized orbital. So here what we can discuss is 4 carbon atom and 1 oxygen atom, all are sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridization is planar and it makes a planar furane ring structure. Each ring atom contains 1 unhybridized p orbital which is perpendicular to the plane of sigma bonds which lie in the plane of the ring. Here the p orbitals are parallel to each other, so the overlapping between the p orbital is also possible. So the total number of unbonding electrons are 6, 4 of 4 carbon atom, 2 from 1 oxygen. Therefore the resonance of 6 electrons follows Huckel's rule. So the furane is aromatic. So if you see thiophene, the same thing, which has 4 carbon atom and 1 sulfur, all are sp2 hybridized. The sp2 hybridization is planar. It makes the planar ring, thiophene ring structure. Each ring atom also contains 1 unhybridized p orbital which is perpendicular to the plane of sigma bond. All lie in the plane of the ring. Here the p orbitals are parallel to each other, so the overlapping between the p orbital is also possible. Therefore the total number of non-bonding electrons are 6, that is 4 from 4 carbon atom, 2 from 1 sulfur atom. So all the 6 electrons follow the Huckel's rule, so the ring is aromatic. So if you see the electrophilic substitution in furane and pyrrole, this is the order of reactivity towards the electrophilic substitution. Pyrrole, which has a greatest affinity towards the electrophilic substitution reaction when compared to furane. Furane has more when compared to thiophene. Thiophene has more when compared to benzene, which shows that thiophene is most aromatic in character and it undergoes lowest reaction, whereas pyrrole and furane react under very mild condition. That is, alpha substitution is favored over beta substitution. That is, more resonance forms for the intermediate, so the charge is less localized. So some beta substitution is usually observed, depends on the X and the substituent. So if you take the example of nitration, you can see there are 2 products. One is 2 substituted and another one is 3 substituted. So furane is less aromatic and thiophene is more aromatic. So this is the order of reactivity of all these 5-member heterocyclics over benzene. That is, furane is most reactive than pyrrole, which in turn is more reactive than thiophene. Thiophene is more reactive than, this is the order reactivity. This is the order of reactivity, which is comparatively less. Purane is less reactive when compared to pyrrole. Pyrrole is less reactive when compared to thiophene. Thiophene is more aromatic when compared to benzene. This order depends upon the electronegativity of the heteroatom. So this is the order of resonance energy for all these. The more electronegative atom, the more tightly electrons are held to the lone pair of electrons are held, and more they reduce the ease of delocalization or aromaticity. So the electronegative oxygen in purine is mostly decrease the aromaticity, and least is sulfur and decrease in aromaticity. So the heteroatom in thiophene is sulfur, which is being a member of second group, which has a d orbital, which in its case are empty. Therefore the empty d orbitals may be used in the hybridization by sulfur to expand its valence shell. Instead of that, 6 electrons orbital have is in pyrrole and purane. Thiophene using sp_d2 hybrid orbitals can have 6 electrons in 6 orbital. This could account for the greater stability of thiophene as compared to pyrrole and purane, and its resemblance to benzene in its chemical properties. So according to valence bond theory, these compounds may have to be considered the resonance hybrid of structure 1 to structure E. However, sulfur, which is the heteroatom, can have a canonical structure formed from 6A to 6E, which implies use of d orbital must be considered. So these are some of the probable resonance structures of thiophene. Electrophilic attack on aromatic 5-membered heterocyclic pyrrole, purane and thiophene. So this is the for pyrrole. We can see the attack of nuclear electrophile usually proceeds the major isomer, that is the 13. This is 9 and this is 13. This is a substituted one, this is unsubstituted one, and what we can see, it formed through intermediates like 10, 11 and 12, of which 10 is contributes to this the most stabilization of the intermediate. Alternatively, the minor isomer 16 through less stable intermediates like 14 and 15. So we can see the more the number of resonating structures, more stable is the product form. So the major one is the most stable one. So this is the order of electrostatic substitution at second position. The energy diagram at C2 attack forms more stable intermediate than C3 attack. Hence C2 is preferred over C3. 5-membered heterocyclic compounds are more reactive than benzene, which can be determined more by degree of reactivity is determined by more electron availability, that is the electron donating power of heteroatom on the ring, then the degree of aromaticity. Therefore the order of reactivity towards electrophile is N-methyl pyrrole, purane, thiophene, benzene. So electron density of the benzene carbon atom is lesser than that on the 5-membered heterocyclic ring system. So we can say the electrophilic substitution in case of aromatic 5-membered heterocyclics like pyrrole, purane and thiophene can be given in this order. Pyrrole has greater than purane, purane is greater than thiophene, thiophene is greater than benzene. This is due to higher electron density at the carbon as shown by the resonance hybrids of pyrrole as shown in the figure. This is due to the attack at second position. This can be considered at the most stable resonance hybrids of pyrrole as in the example what is shown. Pyrrole is reactive towards usual electrophile. We can give various product like this is a nitration, that is 2-nitropyrrole, this is sulfopyrrole, this is chloropyrrole, and this is acetylpyrrole. All these are the various product obtained by the various electrophilic substitution reactions like sulfonation, nitration, acylation, etc. So this is 3H pyrrolium ion, this is 2H pyrrolium ion, which is 2H pyrrolium ion is stable when compared to 3H pyrrolium ion. So the pyrrole is extremely reactive towards electrophilic substitution. Its reactivity comparable to that of phenol and aniline. It rapidly undergoes reacts with iodine to give tetraiodopyrrole. Then it couples with diazonium salt and it undergoes Friedel-Crafts acylation by acetic anhydride in absence of catalyst. These are some of the electrophilic substitution reactions of pyrrole which are given here. This is the electrophilic substitution reaction. Nitration in case of pyrrole. Nitration gives 61% of 2 substituted when compared to 3 substituted product. So this is the general mechanism which can be given for the nitration, wherein a nitro group is the electrophile which is going to attack the second position by formation of 3 resonance stabilized carbocation intermediates. And this is the general reaction what we can give for mechanism of nitration for pyrrole. Pyrrole in presence of nitric acid and in presence of acetic acid it gives 2 nitropyrrole and water. This is the electrophile which is going to attack the second carbon atom through these intermediates, which we call it as resonance stabilized cation intermediates. And when nitronium ion attacks here, the H which is replaced from this group attack with OH and forms water, giving 2 nitropyrrole. And this is the common reduction reaction what you can give for pyrrole. Usually pyrrole in presence of Grignard reagent it gives this product, substituted product, that is 2-ethyl 1H pyrrole, and this on hydrolysis gives 1 pyrrole 2-carboxylic acid. This on reduction in presence of zinc and acetic acid it gives 2,5-dihydropyrrole, and in presence of platinum and hydrogen as a catalyst it gives pyrrolidine, which undergoes Reimer-Tiemann reaction to give 1 pyrrole 2-pyrocarbaldehyde, which is given here. These are some of the applications of the substituted pyrrole derivatives. Similarly, you can discuss about the electrophilic substitution reactions in furane. It also gives the substitution at second position, which are formed by second position attack towards these formation of resonance hybrids 1, 2 and 3, and this is C3 attack. C2 is more because then more stable contributing structures than C3. These are some of the electrophilic substitution reactions of furane. First one is nitration reaction, which is going to give 2-nitropurane or 2,5-dinitropurane. This is a sulfonation reaction. It gives sulfonic acid, 2-nitrosulfonic acid, sulfopurane, and this is 2,5-disulfopurane, which is a chlorination 2-chloro and 2,5-dichloropurane, and which is in presence of acetic anhydride, BF3 acts and forms the substituted product. On reduction it gives tetrahydropurane. This is the general mechanism which you can give for nitrations of furane. You can see the attack of nitro group at C2 or C2 attack, which is favored by these three resonating structures. Finally it gives this substituted one. Here nitration acts occur by addition elimination process.